Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling one of the most interesting topics in IGCSE Physics Electricity, and that is diodes. I know MCQs and diodes can sometimes feel tricky, but trust me, by the end of this video, you will be able to look at any past paper question on diodes and know exactly what to do. We're going straight through real past paper MCQs, breaking down every single option, every trap, and every trick the examiners love to throw at you. So get your revision notes ready, sit tight, and let's smash these questions together. Starting from a very basic question. The diagram shows a circuit component. Exactly that is diode. What allow current to move in one direction or make it unidirectional? So the perfect option is a simple one A. A diode is used as a rectifier. What is the purpose of a rectifier? It makes alternating current into direct current. So you should remember this as well. We are starting from very basics or prior knowledge that is essential to understand this topic. The diagram shows a circuit, and we know that if the switch is connected, the current will start flowing through it. Okay, remember one more thing, like this end is usually taken as positive and this is the negative. Okay, so it works only in forward biasing when this is connected with this end, right? So what happens when you connect it? The current started flowing through it. So when current reaches here, it branches out. Some current may have to go from this side, some from this side, but this is not letting the current to go, and this is letting the current to go. Okay, and that it completes its path. The switch S is closed, which lamp is light? And we know that lamp 2 will not light up, okay, and lamp 1 will only light up. So the perfect option is lamp 1 only. Four circuits each contain a 6-volt battery, a diode, an ammeter, and a lamp. None of the component is faulty. Which circuit shows a possible ammeter reading? Okay, which circuit shows a possible ammeter reading? So ammeter should have a reading, okay? Okay, let's see. This is connected with this and current is flowing through it. Okay, this is allowing it. This is my right option. Let's see other options. But it says 0, so this is not. Okay, and this is connected with the negative, so this is also not, and this is also a no. Okay, so that why the option A was the perfect option. Next question is, the circuit diagram shows a circuit with an AC supply, a diode, and a resistor. Which diagram shows how the current I in the resistor varies with time? Okay, so it is allowing positive half to flow through it and blocking the negative half. So see where the negative half is being blocked, and that is the option B. And that's a pretty easy one that also deals with a very basic question, the basic understanding of diode topic. Next, four circuits are set up. In which circuit does the ammeter shows the greatest reading? Okay, the greatest reading means maximum current, right? Everyone have 12-volt battery. Now see in which the current is flowing. This is allowing current to flow through it. This is not allowing current to flow through it. From here, current is flowing. These both are not allowing the current to flow, and this is also not allowing the current to flow. Now we need to work out in which the ammeter has the maximum reading. Okay, so the basic working is, we know that V equals to IR and I equals to V by R. Now it all deals with a resistance, as everyone has same V. So you should remember that the one with lowest resistance will have maximum value of current. Okay, so here the resistance is total 2, here the total resistance is 3. Let's work out this resistance. These are connected in parallel. So the total resistance will be R1 into R2 over R1 plus R2. So 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3, 6 by 5, and that is 1.2. Okay, so this one is having the lowest amount of resistance as compared to this one and this one, B and T. So this will be having maximum amount of current through it. Okay, so option A is the perfect option. All right. Now, moving toward a very important question. Sometimes students may fall to this trap, and if you know the basic working, you should not be, trapped here in this question. The four circuits shown each contains four diodes. Usually, what happens, like the current, the first half of the current flows, and the second it is blocking. It is eating it, okay, and letting flow the first half, then the second half is again. So if you want to allow all the current to flow and you want such kind of outputs, so for that you need to apply like four circuits in a bridge kind of structure. Okay, and these are given here, right? In all the options. The four circuits shown each contain four diodes. In which circuit is the direction of the current in the resistor always from red terminal to the black terminal? That is a very important question. Okay. Now you need to see, uh, we should start with the positives one only. Okay, this is not allowing through it. This is allowing through it. Current is going from here and then going from here, right? Then it goes on this side from red to black, and then okay, it's not following this path. It goes from here and then here. Okay, it's reaching that end. All right. So if I want to see if this becomes the positive half, what happens? If this becomes positive half, so current is going through it here, here again. Wow, well done. So A is my perfect option. Okay. As this is not letting current to go through it, this blocks the current. Let's see another option. Like for example, if this becomes positive, the current starts going through it. This is blocking the current, and this is letting it flow. This is again blocking the current, but this time it is going from black to red. It says every time it has to go from red to black, for which A was the perfect option. Okay, so I'm not looking at any other option. The four circuits shown all include an AC power supply, two diodes, and a lamp. In which circuit is there a rectified current in the lamp? Okay, rectified means the current flows in one direction only. Okay, so for example, this is positive. Okay, it is not allowing through it. If instead of that, if I take this as positive and this as negative, okay, this is letting the positive half and blocking the negative half. Okay, that is a perfect option. Let's see why this is not. Okay, this is allowing when it was positive, it is flowing through it. When this was positive, it was flowing through it. Okay, so this was not a rectified circuit at all. And this is blocking for all the positive. This is again blocking all the positive. Like this is allowing the positive and this is blocking the positive. All right. So now moving towards the next question. In which circuit is there just a single lamp lit? Right. Okay. This is positive, positive, letting the current flow through it. Okay. This is also allowing the current. This is also allowing the current. Like there is no tie out here. So both are allowed. Here it is not allowing any of the current to flow. Okay. So this is blocked. Again, now this one allowing the current, here it is blocking the current and current flows through here, flows through. This is allowing only one of the lamp to allow the current to flow through it or letting the one of the lamp. This was blocking the current. Okay, remember one more thing. Students get confused at that. Like if the diode, this end is positive, this is negative, and it's connected with another diode in the similar manner, then this is allowing the current. If instead of that, it is connected with another diode in opposite direction, so this will not allow the current to flow through it. Okay, this will be reverse biasing or it will block the current. So this was blocking the current, and this, from this path the current was flowing. Okay, so what happened, like only this was the option where one of the lamp was lit. Now moving towards next, an alternating AC power supply is connected in series with a resistor R and a diode. Okay, diode and a resistor. Okay, which graph shows how the voltage across the resistor varies with the time. That was pretty easy. Again, it's allowing, like for example, this was the positive, so it is allowing positive half and blocking the negative half. So the one with one positive half and other one is blocked, and only option C, right? The easy question is here, which electrical device is used to convert AC to DC, work as a rectifier? And that was diode. The circuits shown all include a DC power supply, one diode, and two light emitting diodes. In which circuit will both LEDs be turned on? Both LEDs should be on, okay? Allowing the current, and this is again the blocking the current, okay? Allowing the current, and this is blocking the current. So allowing the current and allowing the current. So here current will flow. C is the perfect option. This was blocking the current again. So we should not spend more time on any other options. Next, in which circuit do both lamps light? Okay. So positive with the negative. So this is blocking the current. Okay. Again, this is blocking the current, allowing the current, no blockage. So C is the perfect option. Okay. So what is happening here? Like this is the only combination. Like this is also like it is working as a reverse biased. When the positive connected to the negative end, so what is happening? It will block the current. So one lamp will be lit up, but the other will not light. Okay. So that was the only option in which both of the lamp will light up. That's a wrap, guys. If you grinded through these diode MCQs with me today, you are already ahead of 90% of the students. Now, do me one small favor, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. If this helped you, more possible breakdowns are coming your way and you do not want to miss them. Until next time, keep pushing, keep revising, and I'll see you in the next video.